Hey everyone! Welcome to today's lesson. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching the sound And there are 3 different ways that this sound can often be spelt. So today we're going to be looking at the spelling with an I and an R. So when you see these 2 letters together, they make the sound For example, in the word bird. So we're going to cover 5 different words with this spelling of the sound. And I'm going to help you to identify the sounds and to blend them together to read the word. So let's take a look at the first word with the sound. Girl. Girl. I am a girl. We normally say girl when somebody's little, but girl. So to sound out this word, I would say girl. 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 Okay, let's have a look at the second word with the sound. Bird. Bird. So to sound out this word, I would say bird. Bird. When I was little, I actually had a pet bird. It was called a finch. And let's have a look at the third word, which is twirl. Twirl, like if you turn around. Twirl. So to sound out this word, I would say twirl. 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 And the fourth word is birth. Birth. The lady gave birth. I really wonder what picture I might find for this, but the word is birth. So to sound out this word, I would say birth. 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 So at the end of this word, we also have another 2-letter sound with the T and the H. So together, these make the sound th. So to sound out the word birth, I would say birth. Birth. And the last word, number 5, is third. Third. The boy came 3rd place in the competition. Third. So to sound out the word third, I would say third. Third. So again, we have the 2-letter sound th at the beginning. Okay, so that's the end of today's lesson. I really hope you found it helpful. Make sure you keep practicing these sounds and try and blend the sounds together until you can make and say the word. So thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!